How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about this cheap microphone that I got. So this is a cheap USB microphone by ZealSound and it's called the k08-u. So this comes as a kit. You've got a stand, you've got the microphone mount, you've got the microphone itself which has an echo effect, which I'll get onto in a bit, and then it's also got like a tiny windshield at the front, which is really cool. Now I'll leave a link in the description for the Amazon page. You can go ahead and check it out if you want. But I will say this is an omnidirectional microphone, so it's gonna pick up everything. You're probably gonna be able to hear everything around me. I've got my computer. I can do the mouse clicks. I can press the buttons on the keyboard, and it's gonna pick up everything. This is just like the other £10 microphone that I looked at. I forgot the name of that one. But the thing is, they're marketing this for like YouTubers and like for gaming commentary and stuff, and for that, unfortunately, I don't think it's the right thing because it's the omnidirectional. But I will say it actually sounds pretty good as a microphone itself. And if you're looking for a microphone to start off with recording and everything, this is a good option. I mean, if you're broke or something. It sounds pretty good. I guess the only thing bad about the sound is that it's a little bit noisy, and I guess it's omnidirectional, which isn't what everybody's looking for. But because it's omnidirectional, it actually sounds pretty natural and everything, so that's what I do like. It does have the echo effect, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And you can change the amount that you want to put on the echo effect. It's got a little slider on the side. Now I'm just gonna take it off because I don't really need to use it. The other thing with this microphone is that it's actually got a built-in battery, so you can actually turn this on and then you can plug in like the headphone jack at the back, and then you probably hear yourself or something. For an omnidirectional microphone, it sounds better than the other microphones that I've looked at, as far as omnidirectional microphones go. And this is gonna work with everything, because not only does it work on the micro USB port from the back, which you can just plug into your PC and it'll pop up as like a sound card or something, but it comes with the auxiliary cable, and you can use this with the auxiliary cable with something like a Zoom handheld recorder or something, or again, even if your phone has like a headphone jack, you'll probably be able to use that with your phone. So that's really cool. And apart from that, I mean, it's a really tiny microphone and it's really cool. So it is portable, but if you're gonna use it, it's not gonna work without an external recording device, because it doesn't record internally on its own. So I guess if that was a feature, that would have been really cool, but unfortunately it isn't. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.